so happy to be here. Yes, we think
For 1 hour. Ikaw naklaro eh? Hindi maklaro. Ha? Kasi ko saya din sa reply. Ikaw mo sa request ko, ikaw lalaki.
Ako na rin ang yung polarity. Let us all pray today. Anyway, we will all worship the Lord tonight, and you won't keep that seat. But for the sake of arranging them before we start, we need to do that. So, our ushers right now, they are roaming around.
Ito, nakafollow.
Okay, the ushers are roaming around, trying to, ipasawag ka.